Today I'll be teaching on how to use the method of substitution to solve a linear system. We usually solve a linear system when finding the point of intersection where two or more lines intersect. The reason method of substitution can be helpful in this system is because out of this equation, it's really easy to isolate for y. Let's call this equation 1. We'll call this equation 2. And when we isolate for y, and turn it into y equals 8 minus 12x. This can be our third equation. Now that we know that the value of y is the following, all we have to do is plug this value of y into our first equation. So that would give us 2x plus 3, let's put everything in bracket, 8 minus 12x equals to 11. Now let's expand this bracket, so 3 goes with that, and the 3 also goes with that. That would give us 2x plus 24 minus 36x equals to 11. Next, we want to add the like terms together and move the constant number to the other side with the other constant number. So if I were to move 24 to the other side, and if I were to sum up this x value and this x value, 2x minus 36x is going to be minus 34x, and 11 minus 24 is going to be negative 13. Now we want to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 34. The negatives cancel out, the 34 cancels out, the negatives cancel out here, and so we're left with x equals 13 over 34. This gives us the x value of where it intersects, or the x value of the point of intersection. However, we don't know the y value yet. So now, once again, we're going to substitute this x value into any original equation. So let's plug y equals to 8 minus 12 times 13 over 34. I like to open this out, so I'm going to say y equals 8 minus bracket 12 over 1 times 13 over 34. Y equals 8 minus, so 12 times 13 is 156, minus 156 over 34. Now we're going to subtract these two numbers. So y equals 8 over 1 minus 156 over 34. To get this and this to be the same denominator, we're going to multiply the first fraction by 34. So we're going to get y equals 272 minus 156 all over 34. 272 minus 156 is 116. So y equals 116 over 34. We can reduce this to 58 over 17. and this is our y value. So then we can write a therefore statement. Therefore, point of intersection equals xy, which equals 13 over 34, comma 58 over 17.